Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to quickly and easily create auto repair pro forma financial projections using an auto repair industry specific financial model. And so the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From there, I am going to then introduce you all to my auto repair financial model that is included in my auto repair business plan template. So once I'm done with a little bit about me, I'm going to run through the financial model. I'm going to show you how to use it, how easy it is to use, where you can make your adjustments, and then once you're done with that, where the financial projections are going to be. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and zip through this little handy dandy PowerPoint presentation that I've got designed for you. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan, and I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, please pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I would be delighted to write the business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. I've written several books in regards to business plan writing, so check me out there. And then finally, I am also an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So my expertise in academics aligns well with my passion, which is writing business plans as well as constructing financial models for small business owners. Finally, if you are good to go with writing your own business plan, but you need your financial projections done for you, again, I'd be also delighted to do that. All right, so here is the financial model that is included in my business plan template for the auto repair industry. And this right here is the Word document, say hi Word document. So this Word document right here is is also included. So if you do buy my auto repair shop business plan template, it comes with the Word document, which is right here. And then it comes with the Excel financial model, which is right here. And this is what I'm going to be going through in this tutorial. And then at the end of the tutorial, if you do want to buy the template, I will give you a link to do so. All right, so in this financial model, it does come with 4 tabs. Information tab, this is the tab that you're going to be making all your changes. Anywhere in the darker colored cells is the information you're going to want to update. Once you update that information, it will then populate your financial projections tab, which is just a summary of your financials. And then also it'll update your profit and loss statement for year on 1 year. And it's broken into quarters, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, 4 through 6, quarter 2, 7 through 9, quarter 3, and so on. And then finally, the income statement as well. So this is your pro forma income statement for 5 years. So all the information that's updated on the information page will automatically populate these other tabs. On this tab, the information tab, the heart and soul of this financial model, this is where you're going to be doing all your changes. This is also broken up into categories. These are your daily sales. This is your labor. This is your startup cost section, monthly fixed cost section, growth rates, and then loan information. So once you're on this tab right here, I always start with the revenue generator tab. The 3 areas you can change is going to be your variable cost, the number of customer service, and then the average price per customer. In this particular example, I'm saying that we're going to be working with 12 customers a day. Average price per customer is about $190. And the variable cost of what it costs us in materials is about 40%. You can change it if your average cost is about $500, then just change it there. If it's closer to $195, then change to $195. But every time you change that number, all this information updates. The next one is going to be your days and days of operation. If you're going to be working 5 days a week, put 5. If it's going to be 6 days a week, put 6. Next section is going to be labor. The first line is going to be how much money do you want to get paid. For this example, I'm saying $3,500, but if you want $4,000, that's fine. Just change it there. The next section is how many employees are you going to have. If you're going to have 4 employees, put 4. If it's going to be 5 employees, put 5. And then right here is going to be your average pay. If the average pay per employee is $25, then put it there. And then your monthly hours, this is 172 hours represents a 40-hour work week. If they're part-time, then make your adjustments accordingly. Your startup cost, your first 2 lines, and your startup cost is going to be your investment or your startup funding. The first line is your equity investment, how much money are you coming out of pocket. And then the second line is going to be a loan if you're taking out a loan. If there is no loan, put 0. If you are going to be taking out a loan, then put the dollar amount for the loan here. When you put your dollar amount for the loan here, it will automatically populate down here. So it'll go to your loan information and it'll automatically populate there. Then from there, you can just go ahead and put on whatever your interest rate is going to be. If you think your interest rate is going to be 8%, put 8%. And then also your term. If your term is going to be 10 years, put 10 years there. Once this information is complete, your payment will automatically be calculated, as well as it will be put through your financial model as well. All right, so once you're done with your startup cost, or your startup investment rather, then you're going to go to your startup cost. Anywhere in the darker color cells, you can change the numbers. Anywhere in the darker color cells, you can change the titles. These first 4 lines right here, please do not change the titles, those are static. So yeah, just go through it and just put into the categories of what your startup costs are going to be. Your next section is going to be your monthly fixed cost. And so the way the categories are broken out, and this is going to be your rent, utilities, your office expenses, insurance, and so on. These titles are static. If you're not going to pay rent, you're going to buy, then put a 0 there. And again, the financials will update accordingly. Miscellaneous information, your tax rate, if whatever your tax rate is going to be, you're going to put that information right there. And then we've got growth rates for your sales and your various costs. So you just change your growth rates here, and those will update as well. And then we already talked about the loan information. And so once you're done filling out this information right here, it's pretty short, sweet, to the point. It will update your projection tab, your profit and loss tab, and your income statement tab. So once you're done updating that information, you do want to update your financial projection in your Word document financial model. And the way to do that is you're going to copy the income statement, and then you're going to go to the Word document, and you're going to scroll all the way down until you get to the pro forma income statement. Once you're there, you're going to highlight it, delete it, Control V it, and voila, you just pasted now your pro forma income statement into your business plan. And the next step would be to update that for your 12-month profit and loss statement. Follow the same steps. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. All right, so it's time to wrap it up and call it a day. All right, so in summary, if you are interested in buying my auto repair shop business plan template, like I said, it doesn't come with the customizable Word document. The tutorial for that is in a separate video. Also comes with the basic financial model that's customizable and aligned with the industry. I just showed you all that. Keep in mind that this is a Word document in an Excel file, so that it is not compatible with Google Docs. It is not compatible with Apple products. Before you buy it, if you do have questions, don't be a stranger. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a great conversation with you about how well this model works, and so on and so forth. However, there are no free phone support after you buy the model. So if you do buy the model and you want some help filling it in, well, you can pay me to complete the model for you. Or you can go ahead and reference my tutorials, and I've got a lot of tutorials out there for how to complete my business plan templates. And they are free, and you can access them before you buy at this link right here. If you are interested in buying this template, then the link is right here. If you don't want to mess with the templates, you don't want to mess with the tutorials, you just want the darn thing done, then all you got to do is check out my custom business plan prices at this link right here. Check them out, select a plan, then give me a call or send me an email, and I'd be delighted to write your custom business plan for you. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.